How to upload high quality HD videos to WhatsApp status. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can upload high quality HD videos to your WhatsApp status. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your WhatsApp. Find the WhatsApp app and open it up. After you're on your WhatsApp, go to the updates section that is on the bottom left corner. After you're here, you'll find add status option. So there you can see the plus icon as well. Tap on that. From here, you can select the video that you want to add on your status. Open that up. So right here, you can see a lot of different options. So from here, you can edit your videos. Now you'll need to make sure that the video that you're uploading is already of high quality, since you cannot manipulate or change the quality of the video in WhatsApp status. So check for that. Or else what you can also do is just head over to a DM on WhatsApp, head over to your photos, find photos here, tap on that. And here on the top right of this photo section, you will find HD option. Select that and then send a video. After you send the video that you want to upload to your story or status, it will go in HD. Now you can save the HD video. You can save this HD video by tapping on the bottom left corner and tapping on save. Now you have saved this video in HD. Now you can go back to your status, tap on the plus icon again, then upload the video that you just sent as an HD on your status. And that's how you upload high quality HD videos to your WhatsApp status. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.